So now we are going to discuss the most important part, that is the tuning of the industrial control. Okay, tuning of the industrial control. So the question is, what is the tuning? And in this picture, in this slide, you can see the picture of the transistor, old transistor, which are now not in used. Okay, so this is the antenna, right? And this is the used for and this is used for the FM and AM. Okay, AM and FM band and AM band, amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Okay, and this is used for the tuning. This switch is used for the tuning. Okay, so what is the meaning of tuning? Anyone can tell me? What to understand with this picture? This by the help of the switch, what we are going to use? Why we are you? What is meaning with the tuning? Anyone? Vijaya? What to understand by the tuning? Anyone?
So, adjusting the frequency.
Yes, adjusting the frequency means adjusting that frequency where the noise at that point or at that frequency, the noise is minimum. Yes or no? The sound quality is maximum and very good. You know, so that tuning, you can say that is a better tuning. Okay. So the word tuning in the radio context means adjusting the radio receiver. Adjusting the radio receiver to receive the desired radio signal. At that frequency, the maximum signal you can receive without any interference, without any noise. Okay. Okay. Radio signal carrier frequency that a particular radio station uses. Okay. Every radio station has a different frequency band. At that band, the maximum frequency will come. So let's say Vivid Bharati 102 point something. Okay. At that frequency only you can listen the Vivid Bharati. Okay. So what motivates control engineers to tune the industrial controller? So now we have some idea about what is the meaning of tuning. Now you are going to adjust something. In this case, the frequency is going to adjust where you want to receive the maximum signal with a minimum interference or the noise. Okay. So in this case, in the case of the industrial controller, what is the meaning of tuning? Okay, you already seen the proportional integral. There are three types of the differential classical controller or industrial controller. That's a proportional integral derivative controller. In the proportional integral derivative controller, we have the three component, that is the Kc, tau I or tau D. Kc or Kp both are used. Okay, or you can say or tau D. और टाउ आई की जगह पे कहीं कहीं के आई यूज करते हैं, टाउ डी की जगह पे कहीं के डी यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वैल्यू, अगर ये वैल्यू फाइन है, ये वैल्यू आपका करेक्ट है, देन ओनली द रिस्पॉन्स वॉट एवर यू वांट is response. What is the meaning of that response? What is the meaning of that response? Means you are going to define some parameters like steady state error, absolute error, okay, settling time, rise time. Okay, so on that parameter you want the minimum rise time. Let's say the performance indices should be high. You can, the performance is high when you have chosen subset of the value of this this parameters. Whatever the parameter you have chosen, you want from the system the performance by setting this value are very very high or satisfactory, right? So this is the, you can see this is a block diagram where Kp, tau I, tau D is seen. Now this is the control output is here, and this is we already know this is the proportional integral derivative controller connected to this parallel form. Okay, this is the different type of the controller algorithm is given. My interest is not here. My interest is okay. You can see the KP, KI, KD. It is in, we can write here tau I or tau D also in the form of tau D also. Okay. If you know the KI means you know what is the relation between the KI 1 upon tau D. Okay. And for the same tau D is equals to KD. What happening here? Just listen very carefully. If the KP is going to change or increase, you know, the rise time will decrease, overshoot will increase, settling time will have some small change variation. Okay, steady state where error is also decreasing, stability degrade. In this fashion, by varying these parameters Kp, Ki, Kd or the proportional integral and derivative controller parameters, these parameters or the performance indices, the rise time, overshoot, settling time, steady state error, stability, all these parameters is going to change. Okay, it means you have to choose the optimized set or the optimal value of this value where this all these parameters give the satisfactory result. Okay, so it means the choice of the value of PID parameters is very much process dependent. Okay, so what is your goal? Your goal is to choose or compute the optimal controller setting or optimal value of these KP, KI and KD for satisfactory response. So now question is what is the satisfactory response? Satisfactory response है क्या? What is satisfactory response? I already told. Satisfactory response से क्या मतलब होता है? You want overshoot or larger overshoot or minimum overshoot? Obviously minimum overshoot.
Minimum.
You want the less settling time, as small as possible. You want from the system the rise time should be small or low as possible. Minimum steady state error. Steady state error you want from the system 0 ideally, but if it's not possible then you want minimum steady state error. Okay, you are trying to adjust so that the your steady state error ESS will the minimum. Okay, what is the 1 by 4 QAD I will discuss later. That is a quad amplitude decay ratio. Okay, so quarter amplitude decay ratio I will discuss after some time. Satisfactory set point tracking. Set point tracking is also one parameters with high disturbance rejection. You want from the system. Whenever you change the set point, okay, whenever you change the set point, your response or the controller will, you know, the controller will going to track these changes like this one. You want from the system like this, but you don't want the response like this. Yes or no? So
Yes,
in
sir.
here and here, case 1 and case 2. In case 1, you can see here, or case 3. There are 3 cases, let's say. In case 1, the set point tracking is better in comparison to 2 and 3. However, the 2, there's a, you can say, no set point tracking is, you know, or occurred. Let's say this is a, let's say, and in between the 3 is in between the 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the, or so these are single you can say the performance criteria. Minimum overshoot, settling time, सब कुछ आपको चाहिए अलग अलग, और इस तरह से चाहिए कि टाइम भी सेटलिंग टाइम कम हो, मिनिमम ओवरशूट हो, मिनिमम स्टेडी स्टेट एरर कम हो, राइज टाइम कम हो. इस तरह से आपको, so these criteria, this performance criteria are known as a single performance criteria. However, now come to the next question, that is the QAD. What is the quarter amplitude decay ratio? Okay, see here. Let's say this is the response of any system. So this is the first overshoot, this is the second overshoot, or third overshoot. This is the second overshoot or third overshoot. What is your suggestion? What is your opinion?
Sir, which one? B wala?
B wala.
B second. Second overshoot.
Second. Not third.
No.
No.
Or which one is the first undersuit? This one or this one? Or this one? Or this one?
First undershoot is after A. A वाले से जो पहले.
Okay. So the ratio between this and this, A and B, okay, sorry, B and A, B to A. If it is B to A, if the ratio of B to A, amplitude of the ratio of B to A is 1 by 4, then you can say this is the quarter amplitude A ratio. मतलब इतना होना चाहिए किसी सिस्टम के रिस्पॉन्स को डीके होने के लिए. अगर ऐसा है, then the response is satisfactory, then it will die out. The response will die out immediately, otherwise it will not never die out. Okay, so B by A should be 1 by 4 for the satisfactory response. Okay, wait a minute. शुरू करता है दूजा वो दूसरा काम शुरू करता है डॉक्टरी वाला ठीक चलो अपना बनाया है ना 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 okay. However, this is the concept of, so the ratio of B to A is 1 by 4, okay, and this is, you know, the quarter amplitude decay ratio. So however, it is a poor choice of process stability. The idea behind the QAD is to eliminate any error between set point and process value very fast. Means कि जल्दी से जितना जल्दी settle हो जाए. So this is the idea कि 1 by 4 हो जाएगा तो जितना जल्दी die out हो जाएगा. So this is the idea, nothing else. So QAD means although the QAD twinning objective provides very fast rejection of disturbance, it creates 3 problems. However, so leave this. It is not for your interest. I'm not good. Okay, next response is, you know, you have seen the first response is a single performance criteria. Okay, the second type of satisfactory response you may also will study in the optimal control and some other control techniques also. These performance or this satisfactory response are called as a time integral performance criteria. Time integral performance criteria. It is very, very important. Very, very important. Time integral performance criteria. और एक को भी निकाल लो तो अपने आप सारा हो जाएगा. किसी एक को भी आप, लेकिन किसको चुनना है, which will you want to choose, it is also one question. Okay, either you want to choose IAE, okay, ITAE, ISC, ITSC. So what is the IAE? First of all, try to understand IAE, integral absolute error. Integral absolute error means integration of the absolute error. Integral of the absolute error, what we have taken. अगर ये minimum है, it means whatever the different parameters we have discussed above, that is settling point, rise time, overshoot, all automatically will come into this picture. Agar if you are going to control this one, or the same time ITA, integral time absolute error. Integral time is also multiplying with absolute error. Time is going to multiply with absolute error of that integration. Integral square error. Okay, integral time square error. So these are the some time integral performance criteria which has been defined here. And now the question is how this criteria will going to choose. Okay, so now select the type of the controller and the value of its adjustment parameter in such a way as to minimize ISC, IAE or ITA of the system as well. Our target is to minimize this integral square error or integral absolute error or ITA, anything. The selection of any one criteria depends on the characteristic of the system we want to control. किस पे depend करता है? The selection of any one criteria, selection of ISC, IAE, ITA, anything depends on the characteristic of the system we want to control. जिसको हमें कंट्रोल करना है, तो किस तरह का कंट्रोल देखिए जरा. तो these are the following guideline. तो फर्स्ट गाइडलाइन क्या कहता है? If you want to strongly suppress large error, very very important. If you want to suppress the large error, then at that part large error, जहां पर large error है और इसको suppress करना है, then IC is better, integral square. I have already seen in the linear regression, already we have covered, yes or no, why the integral square error is taken, we have already covered here. So integral square error is better than the absolute error. स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, डिफरेंस अपने आप जो है उसका कम होता चला जाएगा, मैंने ये बता रखा है पहले से. स्ट्रांगली सप्रेस द लार्ज एरर. IS is better choice than IA because the error are squared and thus contribute more to the value of integral. We already discussed. Next, IA कहां पर लेना है, उल्टा अपोजिट, जहां पर आपको लार्ज एरर ना हो, फॉर द सप्रेशन ऑफ द स्मॉल एरर. IA is better than ISC because when we square small number they become even smaller, और small हो जाएगा. तो IA वहां पर आप ISC नहीं लेंगे, हम तो क्या लेंगे, आप IA लेंगे. ओके. लास्ट, टू सप्रेस एरर दैट परसिस्ट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, अगर वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक परसिस्ट करता है, एट दैट place we have to use the ITAE, integral time we have to multiply with the time of the absolute error or the square error. Okay, so criteria will tune the controller better because the presence of large time amplifies the effect of even a small error in value of the integral. So these are the guidelines you have to choose at in order at when you are going to design or choosing the performance criteria. Okay, so general prediction ये है आपका. Then we will start with the different techniques of the tuning. So अगर flow control आपको करना हो, ठीक है, तो generally we use a proportional controller or you can say integral controller. PI controller में we generally use, level controller में भी हम लोग यही करते हैं, but derivative controller is rarely used. In the case of the temperature, again this time analytical में sometimes we can use the derivative controller. Okay, and pressure sometimes it's also used. This is not very hard and fast tool. It is not very hard and fast tool. Summary. So what we have studied, what you understand with the meaning of tuning. So the tuning means the adjustment of control parameters to achieve satisfactory control. Satisfactory control we have already seen. Adjustment of control parameter also seen. KP, KI, KD, KP, KI, KD, and rise time, settling time, the single performance criteria and the time integral kind criteria is satisfactory control. So the adjustment of control parameters to achieve the satisfactory control is called tuning. We already cleared this one. Now what is the good control? What is the meaning of good control? Good control क्या है, bad control क्या है, what is the optimal control? The selection of controller parameters KPI KD की वैल्यू कुछ इस तरह से लिए जाए कि आपको satisfactory is essentially an optimization problem in which the designer of controller system attempts to satisfy some criterion of the optimality, result of which is often referred as a good control. I am repeating once again. आपको प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपको पता है कि ISC आपको मिनिमाइज करना है. Your target is to minimize ISC. By which parameters? By choosing the KPA, KI, KD. By choosing the value of KPA, KI, KD. Let's say now, so the problem of choosing, or you can the problem what you have formulated in order to choose, in order to select, or in order to search the optimal value of KP, KI, KD in some space. So let's आपने space में define किया KP, KI, KD की value और उसमें सबसे आपको optimal value choose करना है. That such type of problem is known as the optimization problem. Okay, optimization problem. Okay, so you have to choose first you have to formulate the optimization problem. Okay, under some constraints. Okay, and then we will discuss how the optimization problem, linear, non-linear type of the problem is formulating. We will see. We will discuss later. तो फिलहाल अभी आप ये समझिए कि KPI KD की वैल्यू आपको क्या करना है, चूज करना है कुछ तरीके से एक स्पेस में, और उसको हम लोग ऑप्टिमाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम कहते हैं। ओके, द प्रोसेस ऑफ, उसको जो चूज करने की वैल्यू है, दैट इज द ट्यूनिंग। द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्यूनिंग कैन वेरी फ्रॉम अ ट्रायल। सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट मेथड? तो ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड है, यू कैन चूज, आप ट्रायल एंड एरर से कीजिए, वेरिएशन करते रहिए टू फाइंड सुटेबल कंट्रोल पैरामीटर, जो आप लोग कर रहे हैं, कल कर रहे थे क्लास में, लैब में,
Yes, sir.
गुड कंट्रोल, to an elaborate optimization calculation based on the model of the process and a specific criterion for the optimal control. In many applications, there is a no control model of the process, and the criterion for good control is only value defined. Obviously, a typical criterion for good control is that response of the system to a step change in a set point or load have overshoot and one quad ratio, that is a 1/4. ये हम ऐसा मानते हैं। और कभी कभी क्या होता है, मीन ऑफ राइज टाइम, सेटलिंग टाइम, ओवरशूट, डीके टाइम, जितना क्राइटेरिया हम लेते हैं। बट is it the good method? Or if it is good, so how we have to approach for the trial and error method? तो ठीक है भी, तो उसको कैसे अप्रोच किया जाए, क्या होना चाहिए ट्रायल एंड एरर का? Sometimes it works, but how we have to proceed for the trial and error tuning method? Then we will see with the process reaction curve technique. Then we will see the Ziegler-Nicholas method, ZR method, the very classical method, developed in 1842, I think. If I'm not wrong, then it is, I'm not confirmed, but per my memory, it is in the 1842. Okay. And last, the Cohen-Kuhn method. There are so other techniques are also developed, but I will not go into that detail, because these are the foundation of the, the tuning. Okay, and some the optimize based on the optimization now. Nowadays, last from 2 decades, you can say, last from the 20 or 25, 30 years, 20 to 30 years. The control engineers are now working on the in working in order to search the value of Kp, Ki, Kd using the optimization, using the the, the optimization means optimization problem. First he formulated the problem, and now they tuned this value, or they find the value with the help of the swarm intelligence and soft computing techniques. Okay, and the machine learning techniques. And there are so many tools. So many tools are available in order to find this value. और जितना ज़्यादा ये एक्यूरेट वैल्यू होगा, केपी की आई के डी की ट्यून्ड वैल्यू होगा, यू कैन से एक्यूरेसी उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी, एरर उतना ही कम होगा। ओके ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस the KP, KI, KD already, these things. Okay, so now I'm coming to the trial and error method. So I think time is not going to allow, and we will discuss tomorrow in the next class.